Hey everyone! So today we're doing a Dutch pour on an Hexagon canvas. This is the large size. I believe it's 12 inches from here to here. But you can check it with this handy dandy tool that I have in my Amazon shop. This is pretty nice to have around. So from point to point it's 16. But from here to here it's 14. So I was off a little bit, but I got to show you my little tool that I love so much. And it also has levels on it, so you can make sure your canvas is level. Mine's spot on. And also, if you're hanging paintings, set this on top of a painting, click on the laser light, and it turns on the light so that you can see, here actually it's here, everything across. So if you're going either way, all your paintings can hang evenly on the wall. So it's a nice little tool. It's less than 13 bucks. Pick one up. Even got a little ruler here for quick measurements. But I love all the little features on it, so I did stick that in my Amazon shop. And we do use it quite a bit. So I'm going to go ahead and put some white down on the canvas. I don't have a lot of white left, so I thought we'll do a quick video. Just going to leave enough in there to go around my color. So I'm going to be using Garage Posse paints. I did a couple of videos before this one. I'm not sure which order I'll be uploading them, but there'll be 3 Dutch pours coming up. Haven't done one in a while. I'm a little rusty, so I thought I should give it another shot. Alright, so I'm going to take that off with my hands and get my sides. We're going to be blowing this paint around, so it'll fill up fine. Alright, so on this painting, I'm going to be using Victoria's Muscadine Wine, our Gold Rush, our Chestnut Bronze, and also our Persian Autumn Yellow. So these will be pretty colors together. But I think I'm going to put the yellow on the bottom, because I don't want that to take over the painting. So I'm going to put it right here. And I'm going to put I think I'll put the gold on top of it. We'll keep that shade going together. And then, hang on. You know, I could go all day and the phone won't ring, but the minute I start filming, the phone rings. Alright, so Victoria's Muscadine Wine. Seems like all my videos lately have a phone ringing in them, don't they? Alright, so let's put some of this chestnut bronze on here. And we'll go ahead and get our white down. So I am going to use this cute little hair dryer again. I notice it doesn't blow out as much as my other one does, but I do have a lot more control with it. So let me get those bubbles popped. Filled my torch. Already got paint on it. So I'm going to go ahead and mute the microphone so you don't have to listen to this. And I'll be right back. Okay, I had to stop because I love this and I don't want to ruin it. So I'm just going to push out a few edges and leave that negative space. These colors were really pretty together. So the nice thing with our paints, you can get them in the ready to pour. There's no silicone in them unless you request it, and then I do put it in. Or you can buy them in jars and you can mix your own. So I offer it both ways because a lot of people like to mix their own paint. I have this one spot here, so let's push this out just a little bit. Yep, not touching it. I'm done. Let me go ahead and give that a final torch. So, join us every Monday night live at 9 p.m. We do about 4 or 5 pours, and that is Eastern time. Also, check out my Etsy shop. You can get that hair dryer and that handy dandy little measuring thing. Pads, tray, everything that we use on our channel is pretty much purchased from Amazon. So I have all that stuff in my store, even gloves and all kinds of stuff. Resin supplies as well. But thank you so much for watching. If you want to get the paints, the information is below. Just send me an email. I'll send you the color chart and also ordering information. And post office box, fan mail box, address is below. The Etsy store link is below. We'll be putting a lot of stuff in there for Christmas. We have an auction coming up November 10th. So make sure you check that out. And I think I'm going to put this video up first. So actually it would be number 3. It's going to be number 1. So we'll see you all on the next one. Bye now.